Happy Teardown Thursday. Today we are actually talking about a lead magnet in an industry that really you don't see a lot of lead magnets in. It's not a tech company and it's not typically an online type of business, but it is something that kind of falls into the home services or offline type of businesses. Today's lead magnet involves real estate. So we are talking about BiggerPockets rental income calculator to be specific, and we are talking about how they use this lead magnet to get in a ton of leads to actually help people calculate if their rental property is going to be profitable or not. So let's go ahead and take a look at the lead magnet itself, look at their landing page, see what they're doing right so you can steal these strategies for your business. So let's go ahead and go on to their landing page and check things out. Okay, so here we are on BiggerPockets landing page for the rental property calculator. So if you're not aware of what BiggerPockets is, BiggerPockets is like an online community of real estate investors, and so they have a ton of information about real estate investing and things of that nature. So I don't know exactly how long BiggerPockets has been around, but I do want to let you know that it's been around for a while because at one point in time in my life, a long time ago, I considered becoming a real estate agent and looking into what I needed to do and potentially, investing in properties. And I came across BiggerPockets. I never really thought much about it after that. I didn't really, I was not a member. I actually just looked around the website, so I didn't actually get that far, obviously. But here I am again, actually looking at their website, tearing down a lead magnet that they actually have that helps bring in people to their business. So the thing about real estate is it's not necessarily businesses that are buying real estate. It's more of a B2C thing or business to consumer. And so that's another thing that makes this lead magnet unique. So what we're looking at specifically is this rental property calculator. BiggerPockets has a plethora of information about real estate on their website. So this is not the only calculator, not the only tool that they have, but this is just the one that I decided to take a look at for this week's lead magnet teardown. So this is their landing page where you can actually get a report of analyzing your property or the property that you're thinking about renting out, and you can determine the profitability of that potential property. And so their landing page has a lot of information on it. It's not just this simple start a report and then we take you to the next page and we start everything. It actually gives you a lot of information up front, which is really good considering the fact that number one, this is for B2C mainly. So we're just talking about normal everyday people who are thinking about investing or buying a house. So these people may need more information than someone who is targeting another business. So typically when you're targeting another business, that business has information on what they actually need and how to go about finding it. But when you're targeting B2C, it's a little bit different because these are just your normal, average, everyday people, okay? So it gives information right up front about actually how to use the rental property calculator, which is actually very interesting, simply because usually it's, you click the button and it's a guided thing and people can intuitively pick it up. But this is information on what you're actually going to need to use this specific calculator. So you're going to actually need a lot of information. So the property, the loan details, the income, expenses, they're going to give you the analysis. And then after that, they're telling you can go back and fine tune and adjust your assumptions based on any different numbers you may have. And then you can actually share this report with other people. So if you have other investors or maybe your spouse or something, you can actually share this report with them. So gives you information on how to use the calculator. Also tells you what you'll learn from the calculator. So it is giving you proof of concept, proof of value right here, because it's letting you know that you're going to get the profitability analysis, cash flow, which is going to be the rental income, and what your return on investment is going to be for this particular property. And so down here is just more information for the average person who is thinking about renting out a home, okay? Like I said, for the B2C sector, you're probably gonna have to get a little bit more information. So this right here is just information about how to use a rental property as a form of income. And then we're going into some very specific real estate terms here. Like the average person is not going to know this unless they're in real estate. So if I were to actually want to put my home up for rent, this would be very useful because I don't know about any of this stuff. So, I mean, this is very detailed information, as you can see. So this landing page, it is a little text dense. And in most cases, we don't like landing pages this text dense. But as I said earlier, your target market is somebody different, so they're going to need a lot more information. It could be maybe formatted a little differently to make it less text dense, but overall, I mean, it's good information for the average person who is actually trying to become a landlord or start renting properties. Okay, so now we are down here. So I told you that BiggerPockets was a pretty big online community. So they have a lot of other calculators here. Okay, so this is good. This is kind of like the HubSpot lead magnet teardown I did a few weeks ago, where they had different types of tools. You can most definitely add in more than one tool. So you can start with the one, and then you can add in others to see if it actually increases your leads, which I'm pretty sure it would, because I always suggest having more than one lead magnet depending on where that person is in the buying stage, in the stages of awareness, okay? So you always have your beginners, and you have your people that are super knowledgeable and know exactly what they're trying to get. And so you're going to have lead magnets, different lead magnets for different steps in different parts of that funnel. Okay, so they have their other calculators down here, and then they also have books on actually renting and investing. And so I don't know if these are like BiggerPocket books, it looks like, and these people may be associates. So that's good too. So, I mean, you have your free lead magnet, but you're also advertising something that is paid. So this works in a couple of different ways here, okay? And so, like I said, a little text dense simply because we're giving a lot of information and they're receiving a lot of information. But all you need to do is push the button here to start the report, but you're going to get all this information. You need to put in that information, but you're going to get a lot of information about how to rent your home or invest in rental properties. Okay, so that was the rundown of the landing page. I have notes over here. So let me look at my notes and tell you guys exactly. So those were my initial thoughts, but my notes here, why this actually works really well for BiggerPockets and how you can implement this in your business. And so why this works is that it actually addresses a core problem, a core pain point for people who are thinking of renting their home or becoming a landlord or as an investment, right? It's also a comprehensive analysis in one tool. It covers everything. This is what I was saying. It covers all of this. So this is very detailed. So it covers all of this, and it gives you basic cash flow to advanced metrics like I have here on the screen. And it eliminates the need to have like multiple spreadsheets. If you were doing this on your own and trying to figure this out on your own, it would probably take a lot of time versus just putting these numbers into this calculator. Another thing is that it generates a PDF report. We have talked a lot on this channel about generating custom reports based upon what the user is putting in. So this is another thing that really works, and it adds instant credibility, obviously, for BiggerPockets. And then you also have the educational value. So this teaches users what metrics matter through the input process, building their investment knowledge while they use it. And so this is what I was saying once again about this type of business actually being directed to a consumer. So a lot of times when you have a lead magnet directed towards a consumer, it is the typical, here's a coupon for 20% off, or here's a free demo of our software if it is a software that is a B2C software. So it's not usually something as detailed as this, okay, or something as complex as this either, considering the fact that real estate is complex and there's a lot of different terminologies you need to learn and everything else. So this is very complex, but it also educates the user while they're using this calculator, okay? Okay, so how exactly can you implement this BiggerPockets strategy in your business? So what you can do is, if you have a niche and it is very complex and it's very detailed, you can most definitely create a calculator like this or a tool like this and have everything broken down on your landing page for people before they actually use your calculator, okay? Another thing that you can do is create shareable reports, okay? So if it is a very complex topic like this, what BiggerPockets has done is it allows you to share this report with other people, okay? So there may be other people on the team, like a spouse or investor or something like that. If you have a very complex niche or topic or product or whatever, you can actually not only send that report to that person, but you can have like a shareable link that they can share with other people as well, just to make it easier if multiple people need to be in on the decision making, right? Okay, the last thing here is bundling multiple calculators. And so I showed you that down here. And I also talked about how HubSpot's doing that. And other lead magnet teardowns that I've done, I've seen that some people have more than one lead magnet. And as I always suggest, more than one is great, but they're having more than one of the same thing. So these are all basically calculators, but they're all different, and they are all hitting different stages of awareness and different types of customers. So if you can do this in your business, make sure that you keep developing tools and calculators and lead magnets for different stages, okay? So if you find something that works, go ahead and repeat it, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat up until you have covered your entire customer journey. Okay, so that being said, the numbers, okay? I know everybody's interested in the numbers when I can find them. So BiggerPockets has over 3 million users, okay, or members, because this is a community. And it has facilitated over 30 billion in sales. And so these are like self-reported of people who are buying and selling real estate within the community. So while specific usage numbers for the calculator are not publicly available, the tool requires account creation, and it's part of their lead generation strategy to convert users into their pro tier. And one thing I didn't point out on the landing page is you can see that this banner, so if I go up or down wherever I go, there's a banner down here that is constantly here unless I X out. So it's saying try pro features for free. Start your 7-day free trial, okay? So if someone is on Google and they start Googling about real estate and how to rent out their home, and they come across this calculator, they can, go ahead and put in their information for a report. But then we also have this here of starting a 7-day free trial for the membership. Okay, so the bottom line, okay? So our bottom line is that BiggerPockets actually demonstrated that they can turn a complex situation, a complex
property management, rental calculator. This is a complex thing that they can actually make this easier to digest for the average person, whether or not they are a new investor or someone who is moving out of their home and doesn't want to sell it, but they want to rent it, whatever it may be. They're making a complex topic more digestible and easier to understand by having this calculator. And you can do that too with your business. So that was this week's lead magnet teardown. Okay, it was a little bit different from our other ones that we have since this is focused on B2C. If you want to see more B2C business lead magnet teardowns, let me know in the comments and I'll try to find some more for you guys. But in the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, please like it, please share with others, and I'll see you on the next video.